For question number 11, they want us to use an algebraic equation to find the measure of each angle. So in this question, we do not know what x is, and we actually don't even know what these algebraic expressions are equal to. However, we do know that if we add them, so together, these two are equal to 180 degrees. So that's where I want to start. So I'm going to take 20x plus 10 and add it to 3x plus 9. Again, I don't know what they are separately, but together I know that they add up to be 180 degrees. So from here I need to solve this. The parentheses really aren't doing anything, so if you want to rewrite it without parentheses, then that's okay. And let's add like terms. So this will be 23x plus 19 is equal to 180. Then if we subtract the 19, 23x is equal to 161. And then if we divide both sides by 23, 161 divided by 23, we find that x is equal to 7. So this is not our final answer because they specifically wanted us to find the measure of each angle, meaning from here to here and from here to here. So 7 is what x is equal to, but it's not the angle measurement. So we need to take 7 and plug it into these two expressions. So 20 times 7 plus 10 and 3 times 7 plus 9. So 20 times 7 plus 10, we get 150 degrees. And 3 times 7 plus 9, we get 30 degrees. So those are our two measures.